this server versus server KE. Now if you want to look where is this how much time is left in KE, go here. Come to the end bottom. This is the timer of server, this KE. Server war 1 day 8 hours or 9 hours. This is the time after which enemies will start attacking us. Before this 4 hours before this, our own server people will start looking through all the playfield, and they will start hitting anyone who is not bubbled or who's at any resource site to gather resources. So what you need to do, that 8 hours before this time ends, we need to bubble up, which means exactly 24-25 hours later from now you guys need to bubble up. Now how to bubble up? There are 2-3 options. First one is here. Go to your castle, click here, this city buff, click here. Here is the first one, truce agreement. Once you click here, it will show you this. Now it is showing me that I have 8-hour truce agreements 3, 24-hour truce agreements 5. I don't have any 3-day truce agreement, so it is showing me that you need to buy this by paying 2500 gems. So what we need to do, that 24-25 hours from now, we will come here, we will press this button, 2500 gems it will take from us, and it will give us a bubble which will last for 3 days, or you can say that many hours. Now K is going to last 2 days. Normally it is 3 days. This time KE will be 2 days. We are taking extra precaution to bubble up early so that we don't get hit by anyone. This is the one option. Second option is by alliance points. You need to click on this alliance, then go to alliance shop, come to the end. Here you see on the top they are showing alliance points, like I have 85,000, so I can purchase this 24-hour truce agreement by paying 50,000 points. If you don't have gems, this is the best place to come and get them. If you have gems, then best at that 2500 3-day bubble. You can do this from the map also. You can come here, click on your castle like this, it will show you the same option, city buff. You go inside, it is the same window, no change. Okay, during this you can see warrior is bubbled up now. During this stage he cannot attack anyone. If he attacks anyone, his bubble will expire. Now in this KE you will be allowed to only harvest in this alliance spawn. You cannot go here. If anyone of the other players sees you here, he will come and kill all your troops. So only place you can go is either here, or you can pick up these chests which are lying here. These are the 2 places where you can get resources. These type of all things, this mines, everything is strictly prohibited during this KE period. Now question is, what we will do in these 3 days? We will do exactly nothing. You can do whatever you like inside your city, but you will not send any troop outside on any place. If you do this, those troops will be killed. If you don't have this bubble, you will be killed. So use this video 24 hours from now or 25 hours from now, activate this bubble, 3-day bubble, and then relax. For 3 days you don't have to worry about anything. So please follow this one, because this time there is no exception. They will not make one attack this time. They will keep on attacking till all your soldiers die. So whatever you do, make sure that you have enough gems. Like here I have 15,370. You can see how many bubbles you have here. If you have here 2,500 or more than that, it is very good, you're safe. If you don't have that, then you have to use the alliance points in this alliance shop from here. Make sure to follow this procedure. Check your points now, how many points you have, how many truce agreements you have, and be safe. This KE has to be 0 losses. Okay, I will put this link of this video in the alliance chat. You can watch from there.